This property is situated in Palmoli, an historic and scenic hill town with its Marquesale Castle at the highest point. The town is located in a hilly internal area in the province of Chieti, southern Abruzzo. In Parmoli, you can find all kinds of facilities like pharmacy, bank, post office, supermarket, B&B, bars, museum of rural life situated inside the castle. This characterful house is part of an antique building dated back to the 17th century. This building has been completely restored. It has a new roof and exposed stone. The house avails of its own private entrance to a beautiful handmade front door. This beautiful entrance opens on a large staircase that leads us to the first floor. On the first floor, we find a large living room with unique barrel and vaulted ceilings, numerous large windows, and plenty of natural light, original cotto tiles, and character details. Adjacent to the living room, we find a kitchenette and a dining room. This floor also avails of a bathroom with a bathtub. A large double bedroom with panoramic sea and mountain view. And a twin bedroom. On the left side of the entrance, there is another large room on the ground floor that measures 37 square meters with vaulted ceilings and its own independent entrance. The apartment needs to be rewired and decorated. Electricity and water are connected. Gas has to be connected. And it's on the market for 40,000 euros.